wanted to learn trading, but I could not do it myself. It was only through working individually with you that I was so able to make money. I myself am shocked that this is real.
Start developing and really start earning or join our training. A link is in the description to our social networks. Follow us on Telegram. Subscribe and we will be waiting for you. Enjoy your viewing. And we're going to start trading according to our student strategy, who has made an excellent sum of money in a few days. We'll choose a currency pair, or rather multiple currency pairs, with a payout percentage of at least 80%. Let's opt for several currency pairs right away, but we won't touch OTC. Instead, we'll trade on authentic currency pairs that have real-time rates. We'll be satisfied with this many currency pairs, and let's start with the first one, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Now, we'll add some indicators which are very crucial that we'll show you now. Add boss power, include an alligator with you, and a vortex as well. Keep in mind we have 2 oscillators and 1 key indicator, and now we'll walk through the settings, friends. We'll trade on a 1-minute time frame. Immediately switch our candlesticks to a 1-minute AA chart. Take a pencil and change the periods here. Let's put 4 periods, 6 periods, 7, 9, 8 and 10 from the end. We'll also set up the BB's power for period 11. You can choose any style here. We have Vortex by default. Here are the settings according to the 14 period style. The classic safe time is 1 minute, the first trade is $50, and several currency pairs start trading now. And the green one, it will show you the strategy. Sit comfortably, put on some tea, let's begin. So friends, well, Red conducted our private setup on our strategy. Now we'll start doing a short analysis according to our indicators, alligator, bull's power and vortex. We understand that at present the trend is downward, so we'll accordingly open downward. We'll promptly open a couple of trades because our balance now stands at $10 and we aim to earn a good amount of money from this. In earlier videos we used time frames of 1 minute and 3 seconds, 1 minute and 4 seconds, but today's strategy is specifically for precisely 1 minute. We'll strictly open trades for this duration. So friends, 19 seconds are left. The first trades are mainly for testing so that we ensure our settings are correct. You can trust their reliability and trade peacefully as well. 5 seconds are remaining and we see that we have taken a good position, 3, 2, 1, and our trade has successfully entered profit. The first profit on our balance is already $10.87, a good start. We conducted a small test. The next trade will open red, a great deal, green. Now I will try to make good results and I will change the currency pair, Australian dollar, CHF, and we have a global uptrend. We will now draw, friends, together with you, the global trend, and the resistance area, we have a pattern triangle. We will open for a rise here, change the bet to already $200. And I recommend you use 20 to 30% of your balance. If you have a small amount, try to bet less first. And if you have a slightly larger amount of $500, try to bet $80, $70 so that you have a reserve of money which you could multiply in the future. Now I will open a trade. These are my small recommendations that can help you with risk management in principle, can help you with trading, friends. So let's open a deal for a rise here. Right now we have a risky peak point, but a breakout is happening. I'll open on the trend. Look, the breakout is happening in this area, meaning our main situation was going up. Yes, that means everything we have is going up. Here is where we are consolidating. That is, in this rectangle, the trend is accumulating, but we still believe in an upward breakout. In the bullish movement of the market, this is what, friends, can you imagine? Literally 1 or 2 points. And this is very strange, friends. Look, simple 0 points. The deal closes at 0 and we could have earned more than $100 with you. But the quotes fell a little. This happens, and if you encounter such a problem, don't worry. Open the next trade on another currency pair. Wait a little, let the market move a little, luck will come to you, friends. And we continue. Here we have an upward trend. Look at the Vols power indicator, we have a percentage and it has surpassed 0, indicating the trend is rising. The Vortex indicator shows our moving greens and reds are widely separated. This signifies an upward trend development, but there's a subtle hint of a drop. A decrease is seen in this area, illustrated by the new red candlestick heading downward. A minor pullback is bound to occur, but we'll enter for an increase in this position for a minute, trusting the overall market trend. The new candlestick starts to calibrate, first being red. A shadow surfaces, which we notice. Despite the initial discouraging scenario, an unidentified player influences the market situation favorably. The situation is increasingly favoring buying, hence more buyers are coming in. Consequently, the green candlestick gets calibrated and the trend itself grows. Few seconds remain as the trade is successfully entered with a net profit of $172. Even though the previous trade didn't work out, we're hopeful for the next. We had a success and you can see it right on the screens, friends. I'm passing the baton to green and you'll evaluate our strategy. Write in the comments what settings you use. We will be very interested. We may pick you to try your strategy in the next videos. So friends, red made a great deal. Sadly, one trade closed at 0, but it's not a problem. The main thing is that we haven't lost a single dollar or a single cent on this. And now we will continue trading on other currency pairs. So friends, well, red made 2 great trades. Unfortunately, one of his trades ended at 0, but it's okay, it happens. The main thing is that we haven't lost a single cent, not a single dollar, and continued to trade. So friends, we've had a bit of a trend pullback, but in any case, we're opening upwards since the overall trend is rising. It's not dropping, nothing changes due to one candle. You can also keep opening trades in the direction you've initially analyzed without worrying about one specific candle. As you see, the trend of rising continues. We have 10 seconds left and now we're going to register the clean one. This is a fantastic outcome and we're advancing to a new trade with our same strategy. It'll be launched by the red currency pair the euro, the Australian dollar, and we'll open according to the trend, friends. Here the situation is declining, it's globally heading down, relying on. The situation is we're opening downwards, friends, meaning we have a strong downtrend calibrated. You can also see this by the vortex, by the bull saw. Look at the bull saw. We have a drop at this point, and here we have a global decline. Plus, the moving average has started to exit the intersection of the two lines. There are literally 20 seconds left. A strong shadow is there, present. Now we'll get ready to complete the trade. There are just a few seconds left. $158 is credited to our account.
So, friends, we have finished our trading today. We have a net profit of $583.18. We made good trades with the help of our special strategy. I remind you that we used alligator, Bollinger Power, and vortex indicators. Our settings are 1 minute, and the main thing is to choose a pair with a payout percentage of more than 8. And then this strategy will work for you. With you, we're profit hunters. Watch our previous videos, learn new information about trading, and subscribe to our Telegram channel to follow our news.